Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. Today I'm doing another makeup video for you guys. I'm going to be doing the everyday makeup back to school routine. Back to school and the holidays are over. I know I'm going back to school tomorrow, so hopefully I can have that up around this week sometime. But yeah, I thought I'd show you guys what I use for school. So if you guys like this video and you like these makeup ones, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below saying what your favourite go-to makeup product is and if you're subscribed. Make sure you turn the notification bell on because it just gives you a notification that comes actually up on your phone, not your subscription page, so that you can always stay notified when I post a new video. Okay, so the first thing that I do when I get up is I usually get dressed first, so I usually get in my uniform, but then I do my hair usually first. But I'm not really doing anything with my hair today, so if I'm having a lazy day, this is what I'll do. The first thing that I'm going to do after, I usually do my brows first. I've already done them off camera, just because I've shown you guys what I done them before and I can't really explain how to do my brows because they already are, everyone's brows are different and it's hard to know what works for you, so yeah, that's what I do. I've used the same kind of the mattes CHATTT eyeshadow, and then I use the darker shade and put that in my brows because that works best. My Maybelline New York, so this is what I use, Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer, same as the other video because I usually use the same products all the time, so if I'm ever going to school or anything, this is what I use. I'm just going to put that all over my face. I use the 20 Sand Beige for my whole face, and then I usually do the light leisure under my eyes, so that's what I'm going to do. If I'm looking down, it's because I'm looking at this. Put that all over my face, so I try not to put it directly on my pimples. As you guys can probably see, I have a lot of pimples at the moment. We may not be able to see it. I don't know. My skin's so oily. And then I usually would use Beauty Blender if I'm using foundation, but because I just like using a brush, I'm going to be using the Triple Threat Lab 2 multi-purpose brush, as I said in the other video. And this in. Just do it in circular motions. Oh, my hair's getting in the way. And I just keep blending that out everywhere. Put a bit in my eyes. I literally keep getting hair stuck to me. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline New York lighter shade, so I'm going to be going with the light leisure. And I have fairly tan skin, so this one I wouldn't put all over my face if it's in like the winter or the holidays and I am a bit paler, because my skin is really brown and my face is really like a lot paler than my face. It's weird. Only a little bit because... And then I'm just going to get my foundation brush, the Real Techniques one, and I'm just going to keep blending it under my eyes. And then I kind of use that to just flatten out my brows because sometimes it gets a bit messy. And then if I have a lot of pimples, like I do a bit today, then I'm going to grab some of that and just put it onto my finger. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Savvy Sunkissed bronzer. Like I said, you don't always have to do this, but I think I might need some, because if I've gone over to the top, you need something on top of that to, you know, kind of bronze up the whole face. Just kind of blend that out. And do the same, well, that's a lot on there. On the other side, grab a bit and put it on my forehead, so like here. Blush and some highlighter. So what I like to use is these two brushes. So for my highlighter I use this one, and then for my blush and sometimes highlighter I use this one. That pinky shade there, and I'm just going to put that on my cheeks. And go on top and use this. I'm going to use that with that gold there. Just going to place it there. Ooh. Right there, and kind of go into my brow a bit like that. I'm going to go in with some eyeshadow, a little bit of eyeshadow, just to put around in my crease, and that's what I usually do just to finish off the look, and put a bit of purple cream on, just lip balm. So I'm going to be taking my Colourpop double entendre, I can't say that. I'm going to be taking these 3 colours and just putting, but yeah, I'm going to start off with that lighter, kind of light orange shade, and I'm just going to put that directly in my crease, and do the same to the other eye. So and there's not really much to it. I kind of just blend it, so going like screen wipers, so just like back and forth, or if I'm trying to get that circular and trying to blend out the edges, I just go in circular motions like that. So that works too. If you guys like wanting to know how to do like blend out eyeshadow, you just go circular motions until you can see it blending in. So now I'm going to go in with that one, and then blend it upwards like that. There we have it. So this is what I do for my everyday school kind of look. So something simple and nice and bronzed, but still not heaps and heaps, so that it doesn't take that long. So it's pretty quick, and yeah, that's my look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe down below. We're almost at 400 subscribers, and I'd really love it if you could join my channel and enjoy the videos that are coming, or the ones that you haven't watched before. Thank you guys so much for watching. It means a lot, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and yeah.